This is the Acer SpatialLabs Eyes 3D camera, and its claims to deliver an immersive experience like no other, allowing users to capture and view 3D content with awesome features like dual 8-megapixel sensors for 4K resolution per eye, also ability to live stream and video call in 3D, and seamless integration with VR and AR headsets. But what does it really offer, and is it worth the hype? So, in this video, we'll break down the features, pros and cons of the Acer SpatialLabs Eyes 3D camera, so you can decide whether it's the right fit for your needs. So, let's dive in and explore the possibilities of this cutting-edge technology. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. So, this camera is a big deal in the 3D scene. Acer has been pushing 3D tech with their SpatialLabs line, and this camera is their latest addition. Think of it as the perfect tool for creating 3D photos and videos that actually look good. The SpatialLabs Eyes stereo camera boasts dual 8-megapixel sensors, providing a combined resolution that delivers impressive 4K per eye visuals. This ensures that both photos and videos are captured with a high level of detail, because it's essential for creating immersive 3D content. Also, the 21mm focal length and f/2.0 aperture of the lenses offer a good balance between depth of field and light sensitivity, making it versatile for various shooting conditions. And as for the image stabilization, the electronic image stabilization ensures smoother video captures, which is an essential feature for high-quality content creation. One of the standout features of this camera is its ability to live stream and video call in 3D. This capability facilitated by the SpatialLabs Player 3.0 and the upcoming video call widget, which opens up new avenues for content creators and professionals alike. Imagine hosting a live event or a business meeting where participants can experience a sense of depth and presence that traditional 2D video cannot provide. This could revolutionize the way we interact remotely, making digital interactions more engaging and realistic. Also, the camera's design is another area where Acer has focused its efforts. The compact form factor is combined with a 2.4-inch touchscreen to make it user-friendly and more portable. This is crucial for content creators who need to capture high-quality 3D images and videos on the go. And the inclusion of a USB-C port for charging and interfacing, along with a micro SD card slot for storage, ensures that the camera meets the practical needs of its users. When it comes to image quality, the Acer SpatialLabs Eyes performs admirably, but not without some caveats. The sample photos and videos provided by Acer look good, especially under controlled lighting conditions. However, the dynamic range and white balance performance in more challenging lighting conditions, such as typical indoor environments or sunny outdoor scenes, are areas where improvements could be made. This is a common issue with compact cameras, but one that users will need to consider if they require consistent color accuracy and dynamic range. In terms of usability and workflow, the Acer SpatialLabs Eyes offers a mixed bag in this area. Its integration with various VR and AR headsets, including the Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest, is a significant advantage, making it easier for users to view and share their 3D content. However, the effectiveness of its software for playback and editing remains to be seen. The success of this camera will heavily depend on how user-friendly and robust the accompanying software is, especially when compared to the more mature ecosystem of the Kukamigo. Comparing the Acer SpatialLabs Eyes to its main competitor, Kukamigo, it reveals some interesting contrasts. While the Kukamigo is priced more affordably at $299 and features 1080p resolution per eye, the Acer camera's 4K per eye resolution offers a significant leap in detail. But the Kukamigo's ability to shoot in RAW DNG format might give it an edge in terms of dynamic range and color accuracy. This makes the Kukamigo a strong contender for those who prioritize post-processing flexibility. On the other hand, at a retail price of $549, the Acer SpatialLabs Eyes stereo camera is positioned as a mid-range option in the 3D camera market. This price point makes it accessible to a broad audience while still offering advanced features that can appeal to more serious content creators. Its ability to integrate with Acer's range of SpatialLabs products further enhances its value proposition, by providing a cohesive ecosystem for capturing, editing, and viewing 3D content. As for my conclusion, the Acer SpatialLabs Eyes stereo camera is a promising addition to the 3D content creation market. Its high-resolution, user-friendly design, and integration with VR and AR platforms make it a compelling choice for those looking to dive into 3D photography and videography. But potential buyers should weigh its advantages against the more established QCam Ego, especially in terms of color accuracy and post-processing capabilities. As 3D technology continues to evolve, it's exciting to see how products like the Acer SpatialLabs Eyes will shape the future of content creation.